Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Kohler kitchen faucets that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Kohler R22867 SDVS Maxton pull-down kitchen faucet. This model boasts a sleek, modern design with a vibrant stainless finish, making it a great choice for contemporary kitchen spaces. The high arch spout offers plenty of clearance, which is perfect for filling up tall cookware or pitchers. It also features a 2-function pull-down spray head that can switch between an aerated stream and a powerful sweep spray, ideal for tackling stubborn food residue. One of the standout features of the Maxton is its temperature memory, allowing the faucet to be turned on and off at the previously set temperature. Plus, the Master Clean spray face resists mineral buildup, making maintenance a breeze. While its overall performance is solid and the inclusion of a soap lotion dispenser is a nice touch, the Maxton does fall slightly behind in terms of advanced features compared to other models on this list. Additionally, while the build quality is strong, it lacks the professional style aesthetic found in higher-ranked options. In summary, the Maxton is a dependable, stylish option for those who need a functional faucet for day-to-day use. It's not the most feature-packed on this list, but it's a well-rounded choice for anyone who wants a reliable, modern faucet without breaking the bank. Pros include its high-arch spout, easy maintenance, and versatile spray head. The cons? It's a bit basic compared to other models and lacks advanced spray functions like boost technology. At number 4, we have the Kohler KR23863 SDVS Motif kitchen sink faucet. This model is a fantastic all-rounder, offering a combination of style, functionality, and practicality. Its vibrant stainless finish and minimalist design make it an elegant addition to any kitchen. The faucet features a pull-down spray head with 2 functions, a standard stream and a sweep spray that makes cleaning dishes and sinks effortless. The magnetic docking system, known as Docknetic, ensures the spray head stays securely in place when not in use. The Motif is designed with ease of use in mind, featuring flexible supply lines and a pre-installed hose for a hassle-free installation process. Another plus is its ceramic disc valves, which exceed industry standards for durability. It also comes with a soap/lotion dispenser, which adds extra value. However, it's worth noting that the Motif doesn't include advanced features like boost technology, which is available in other models on this list. Additionally, its spout height is slightly lower compared to some other Kohler faucets, which may limit clearance for larger items. Overall, the Motif is a solid mid-range option that balances performance and aesthetics. It's well-suited for homeowners looking for a stylish yet practical faucet. Pros include its easy installation, durable construction, and sleek design. The cons? Fewer spray functions compared to higher-end models, and a slightly lower clearance. Coming in at number 3, we have the Kohler 22972 2MB Crew Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet. This model is a perfect blend of modern elegance and functionality, featuring a vibrant, brushed modern brass finish that adds a luxurious touch to any kitchen. The Crew offers a high arch spout for excellent clearance, along with a 3-function pull-down spray head. You can easily switch between stream, sweep spray, and boost technology. The boost feature is a highlight, increasing water flow by 30% to handle tough cleaning tasks efficiently. The Crew is built to last, thanks to its premium metal construction and corrosion-resistant finish. Its ProMotion technology ensures smooth and quiet operation, while the Docknetic magnetic docking system keeps the spray head securely in place. Installation is straightforward, with flexible supply lines included for convenience. However, this faucet is slightly heavier than other models, and its price point may be on the higher side for budget-conscious buyers. In conclusion, the Crew is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a durable, high-performance faucet with a standout design. It's ideal for larger kitchens or those who frequently use their faucet for heavy-duty cleaning. Pros include its boost technology, premium build quality, and stylish finish. The cons? A higher price tag and its heavier weight, which might make installation a bit trickier. At number 2, we have the Kohler KR22745 SDVS semi-professional kitchen faucet. This model is the most budget-friendly option on our list. But don't let the price fool you. It's packed with features that compete with higher-end faucets. The professional-style design, combined with a vibrant stainless finish, gives it a sleek and modern look. The 3-function pull-down spray head includes stream, sweep spray, and boost technology, making it versatile for all kinds of kitchen tasks. What sets this faucet apart is its ProMotion technology, which features a light, quiet braided hose and a swiveling ball joint for maximum flexibility. The boost feature increases water flow by 30%, making it easy to clean even the toughest messes. Additionally, the faucet includes a top-fill soap lotion dispenser for added convenience. While it's an exceptional value, the semi-professional faucet is slightly bulkier than other models, which may not suit smaller kitchens. Overall, this is an outstanding option for anyone who wants great features at an affordable price. It's perfect for busy kitchens that require a reliable, high-performing faucet. Pros include its advanced spray functions, professional design, and excellent value. The cons? It's a bit bulky and may not fit well in compact spaces. And finally, at number 1, we have the Kohler 23765BL Tone Semi-Professional Kitchen Sink Faucet. This premium model is the ultimate choice for those who want the best of the best. Its matte black finish is not only stylish, but also resistant to tarnishing and corrosion, ensuring long-lasting beauty. The high-arch spout provides superior clearance, and the pull-down spray head offers 3 functions: stream, sweep spray, and boost technology. The boost feature is especially useful for speeding up cleaning tasks with a 30% increase in water flow. The Tone faucet also features ProMotion technology, which makes the pull-down hose light and easy to maneuver. Its Docknetic magnetic docking system ensures the spray head stays securely in place. Installation is straightforward, and the faucet is designed to meet EPA criteria for water efficiency. While the Tone is the most expensive option on our list, its combination of design, performance, and durability justifies the price tag. It's perfect for homeowners who want a professional-grade faucet that can handle heavy use. In summary, the Tone faucet stands out as the best option for those who value premium quality and advanced features. It's ideal for large modern kitchens or anyone looking to make a statement. Pros include its stunning design, boost technology, and superior build quality. The con? It's the priciest model on our list, so it may not fit every budget. It's the priciest model on our list, so it may not fit every budget. It's perfect for homeowners who want a professional-grade faucet that can handle heavy use. In summary, the Tone Faucet stands out as the best option for those who value premium quality and advanced features. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.